This tutorial by needlepointers.com will show you how to make this super easy, super cute Halloween fabric garland. Anyone could do it, even kids. To cut the fabric into 1" by 6" strips, use a rotary cutter with a pinking blade. The pinking blade will help prevent the fabric from fraying and give it a decorative edge. An easy way to make the strips is to cut the fabric into 6" strips from selvage to selvage, stack a few strips on top of each other, and subcut into 1" strips. Place the fabric strips in piles on your work surface. Tie a loop to the end of some twine. This loop will be used for hanging the garland. With scotch tape or a binder clip, attach the twine to your work surface. This will make it easier to tie the fabric onto the cord. And I also put a binder clip on the other end of the table so that it'll hold the cord in place. Now start to tie the fabric onto the twine using an overhand knot. You can tie the strips on in a set pattern, or you can tie them on randomly. Now I will be tying them on randomly because I don't know if you've noticed, but I do not have the same amount of each color of strips. So I'm going to do a random pattern on it. As you're tying, push them close together and just continue to tie your fabric strips onto your twine until you have the desired length or all the strips have been used. After you are finished tying the strips on, tie a loop at the other end of the twine. It's that simple and it's ready to hang. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to make some garland to decorate your home for Halloween. Please let us know what you think of this project. Like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, just click our website iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website needlepointers.com for lots of crafting tutorials.